Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix the fingerprint sensor on your OPPO Find X9. So actually there's not a lot to do. As you can see, mine is not working, even though I've registered this finger. And what we do have to do is to take with ourselves the microfiber cloth, or just soft cloth like this one, and wipe the area of the fingerprint sensor over here. Apart from that, what I do recommend is removing the screen protector, because it may cause interference with your screen, your fingerprint sensor, and your phone. Yes, I know that you have paid maybe for your screen protector much, but sometimes when the screen protector is too tough, it may just not work with your fingerprint sensor. Apart from that, we can go to the settings. If of course your issue still didn't go away, because you still may have it, we have to go here, scroll down to the security and privacy over here, scroll down to the device unlock. Here, scroll down again to the face and fingerprint unlock. Tap on the fingerprint, enter your lock screen password. Tap these three dots near the finger one. Tap delete, delete. Tap add a fingerprint again, tap add fingerprint, and now as you can see, move your finger slowly. Keep moving the finger until, as you can see, we do have this whole fingerprint scanned here. Now you have to tap done, and now when it's registered, we can check if it does work. As you can see, now it does. That's nice. But if yours still doesn't, we have to go to the settings and scroll all the way down to the system and update. Tap software update, and now check for the update in your phone. If you do have some updates pending, update your phone immediately. It's because it might be your software fix to fix the sensor bugs. Pardon me. But if you don't have the update, wait for the update or go to the authorized service with the proof of purchase to have your phone fixed. And actually that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.